Sarian is an experienced full-time tutor here at Learn Welsh the Vale, and she teaches at all the different levels. It's clear to everyone she teaches that she spends a lot of time preparing and thinking about how to help people learn. And if you work really hard to support any learners with additional needs like dyslexia, in fact the entire class does better for it. So that time put in makes the difference.
Pan dwi'n dysgu, dwi'n meddwl am y bobl wy'n dysgu fel unigolion yn lle grŵp o bobl, a wi trio addasu beth dwi'n neud i swtio bob person, so mae pob un ohonyn nhw yn cael hwyl a dysgu rhywbeth yn y dosbarth. Dwi'n credu bod dysgu yn waithgaredd cymdeithasol. So, os bydd rhywun yn dod i ddosbarth, maen nhw'n gallu wneud ffrindiau newydd, dysgu sgiliau newydd neu wella sgiliau cyfathrebu. Weithiau, jyst dod mas o ti yn help mawr i bobl, ond maen nhw'n mynd adre gyda teimlad bod nhw wedi wneud rhywbeth adeiladol yn ystod y dydd.
I suffer from cluster headaches due to a health problem and have recently been diagnosed with autistic spectrum disorder. As a vulnerable adult, I am supported by a medical team at Rookwood Hospital. They have seen a noticeable improvement in my independent living skills and my confidence since I started learning Welsh. Sarian encourages me to come every week to class. If I don't attend on a Saturday, she contacts me to check that I am well. Because I am succeeding with my learning, I'm excited to share this with other people, and I couldn't have done it without Sarian's support.
Yn y lle cyntaf, dyn ni'n byw yng Nghymru, dyn ni'n gweithio yng Nghymru, dyn ni'n magu teuluoedd yng Nghymru. Dylen ni fod yn fach bod ni'n byw yng Nghymru. Wy'n fach iawn o ddysgu Cymraeg. Swrthiais i mewn cariad ar iaith. Pam y reswm dysgais i Cymraeg, wy'n meddwl bod y iaith yn brydferth ac yn hyfryd ac yn haeddu goroesi a thyfu.
Congratulations, llongyfarchiadau Sarian. You're an amazing member of the team and we're so glad that you're here with us yn dysgu Cymraeg y Fro.
Hapus iawn a ddiolchgar iawn i Joe am fy enwebu i, i'r tîm hefyd am gefnogi fy ngwaith i gyda Joe a gyda dysgwyr eraill sy angen tipyn bach mwy o help.